Hey y'all, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm so excited today. I don't know why I feel like I need to turn it into a Broadway song, but my name's Kimmy. Hi, hello. I am doing a cleaning collab with a bunch of other girls. I'm about to list off their names. We're all doing mobile home clean with me today, so if you like mobile home living and you like cleaning videos, click the playlist link down below after this video and go watch the other girls clean their house too, so you get a whole day or a whole night, I don't know, of cleaning motivation. Okay, so we got Simply Bethany, Bethany Barber, Irina, Fearfully Created, It's All Messy, Mama, Kim's Farmhouse Life, Paisley, and then Kicking It with Carly. So hopefully I did not leave anyone out, but I think everyone will be in the playlist down below, so no worries, go check them out. Y'all, let's get to cleaning. We're just jumping right into this. We're just, anything I see that is a mess, which would be the two sinks in my kitchen, we're gonna clean. So let's get going. Here comes the music. 1, 2, 3.
Lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping, with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe, something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. The dangerous, selfish way to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe, something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. The dangerous, selfish way to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe, something you never needed? Or was it all for, I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. The dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind on my mind, so listen.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before.
Alright y'all, I got done cleaning, and how funny is this? The kitchen is already starting to get messy again. That's how fast it is. I'm cooking fried chicken. But I need to read off one of the comments from a previous video for y'all. Let's see here. Thought my camera just went off. I am watching Survivor still. Whoa. Did y'all know? I filmed like 2 videos today, so I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see. SG Money said, stay till the end. You're so cute and down to earth. I love it. You had me laughing a few times. And then she said a little bit more. So thank you. And then Irina, I hope I'm saying your name right. She's one of the girls that's doing the collab with us. So she said her whole house is a shed. Same story with our shed outside. And then she said a lot of other things as well on my home tour. And she said she wants to do one soon. So I will be looking forward to that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this cleaning video and it gave you some motivation. If you need a little bit more motivation, then click the link down below and watch the other girls in their cleaning videos. Also, fried chicken! Aaron has been bugging me for weeks saying I want fried chicken, so finally doing it. I hate frying food because it's so messy. But I will see y'all back here on Wednesday for another video. Bye!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.